how do you obtain images for your content? You might go out to the web and do an image search. Because, after all, if it's on the internet, it must be okay to use. Well, no. Whenever you want images, you need to know if they're copyrighted and whether you have permission to use the images. You might think that nobody cares about that, but many companies and authors will defend their copyrights vigorously. I am not a lawyer, but I do know that copyright law is a very complex area. Rather than get involved with copyright law, bypass copyright altogether. Use images that have a Creative Commons license. Depending on the type of license, you don't have to ask for permission to use the images. For example, an image with this license means you can use an image as long as you attribute it to the author, don't use it for commercial purposes, and allow anyone else to share the image under the same license conditions. That's called share alike. Where do you go to get images that are okay for you to use? One place you can go to is search.creativecommons.org. Check the box to say that it's something that you can modify or adapt, and do your search. Here's a nice image that's licensed for attribution and share alike. When you select it, you get more information about it, and you can go to the website that has that image. If you like Google Images, do your search, then click Tools, select Usage Rights with the labeling that you require. Another source of images is freeimages.com. Do your search, and select Free Images. Be careful. These smaller images here at the top and also at the bottom of the page are images from iStock. You have to pay for those. When you select an image and download it, you'll see an area giving information about the image attribution. Be a good citizen of the internet and put the credits somewhere in your content. If you need Clipart, go to freesvg.org. Do your search, and you'll find that the art at this site is of varying degrees of quality. Quite a bit of the art here is public domain, which means there is no restriction on your rights to use the images. By the way, I've been using these sites for all the images you see in these videos. No matter where you get your images, always be sure to check the license, whether it's a Creative Commons license or a license designed for a particular site. And that's how you can obtain images to use in your course content.